Wise Transfer Stock Processing Fix. Is your Wise Transfer stuck on processing? Do not worry. Here's how to fix it step by step. Step 1. Stay calm and be patient. First, stay calm. Processing transfers can take time, especially during bank checks, weekends, or holidays. In many cases, the status updates automatically. Step 2. Check transfer status. Open the Wise app and check the transfer details. Look for any updates, requests for information, or verification messages that need your action. Step 3. Verify recipient details. Make sure the recipient's name, bank account number, and other details are correct. Even a small mismatch can cause the transfer to stay in processing. Step 4. Contact Wise Support. If the transfer remains stuck for too long, contact Wise Support through the app or website. They can check the transfer and tell you exactly what's causing the delay. Processing may take several hours, and delays can happen. This is normal while Wise completes security and bank checks. Once everything is verified, your transfer should move forward automatically.